Hello Ben, Zach and Mitch, come over here guys. So what have you done, Mitch? Can you explain?
We've set out for an L-shaped house.
Yes.
Slab, L-shaped slab.
Okay, where's your setback? I'm going to start right from the beginning.
Here.
There's your setback line. That's your setback line. Yes. And then across that, you've got your pegs, 600mm off, which is the actual envelope of the building. Excellent. So you've run those through at the same height.
Yeah.
And then the top of the ledger is 100mm higher, which is top of slab.
Yep.
You've run those through and you've measured 6.3 by 6.3. Give us your drawings. Where's your drawings? 6.3. Can you see that? There you go. 6.3 by 6.3. And you've measured that in, and then you've checked your diagonals. What was the diagonal measurement?
891.
891. Can you just run over and just show us to check the diagonals for us, please? Grab the big tape. So Ben's going to go down the other end, off the string line.
Yeah.
Yes. And then he's going to hold on a metre just so he can get a more accurate dimension. And then Zach's going to go and he's going to check. What's this supposed to read?
891.
891. Well done. That's spot on. Okay. Excellent. And then they've done their infills, which are 2.7 for their L section. Profiles are running in a nice line, as you can see, nice and straight. See the lines running nice and straight with the pegs. Same on this side, nice and straight. They've worked the pegs all at the right height, so they've worked that with a dumpy over here. Boys worked from the highest point. Where was the highest point, guys? Could you tell me?
The highest point's down the bottom.
The highest point for the ground is up where Mitch is, where he's pointing. That's it, that's correct. So they worked off that. Zach, Shane, can you shut up? We're videoing this. And then we've checked that for the diagonals, and these boys are complete. How you going, Nath?
Yeah, right.
I'll come over. Just hold on tick. And if you can get a overall view, you can see the boys have done a nice simple set out assessment, ready for excavation. Now, what about the nails, guys? Can you put in another nail for where the timber frame would go? Just whack a nail in just so we can show it on the ledger. So there's the position for the brickwork. And what measurement have you gone over here, Ben?
Yeah,
150. You didn't remember that, did you?
No, that's on video.
That's very good hammering. That's just going to go on YouTube and you've missed it. Too much pressure. Good stuff. Okay, so that's the outside of the building where the brickwork is. That's where our timber frame goes. Now, if we have the footing not as per where the brickwork, we have to go out another 75mm or whatever as per drawings, and that would be our excavation line. If it's a slab on ground, we would just work off the edge of brickwork, which is the edge of the slab, but that depends on the details of the drawing. Good on you, Ben. Good on you, Mitch. Good on you, Zach. Good work.